Welcome to our quick guide on writing an effective performance summary for your resume. A performance summary highlights key achievements and contributions, acting as an introduction to your work experience and education. Here are 5 essential tips. Use active language with action verbs like completed, attained, and improved. Include specific numbers and metrics. For instance, increased sales by 15%. Be specific. Provide explicit examples of your achievements. Tailor your summary to the target job. Use keywords from the job posting. Keep it brief. Aim for 1 to 2 paragraphs or 4 to 6 bullet points. Follow these tips to create a performance summary that stands out. ResumeBlaze, the ultimate resume and cover letter builder. Start a free 7 days trial today. Find the free link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.